You're watching the world premiere of Killer Hair on Lifetime Movie Network LMN. Life was always a bit too easy for Deb, so heaven played a little trick.
You died and they turned you into a size 16?
That is so unfair.
Now her job is harder.
Objection. On what grounds? He's rude.
Her days are longer.
Don't those belong in a cup?
Dark circles.
And nothing comes easy anymore.
What are you doing? Oh, it's called a squat. Can someone help me up, please?
Drop Dead Diva premieres Sunday, July 12th over on Lifetime.
My grandkids are a great reason for me to keep my bones strong. But even with calcium, vitamin D, and exercise, I still got osteoporosis. I never thought I could do more than stop my bone loss. And then my doctor told me I could, with once monthly Boniva. Boniva works with your body to help stop and reverse bone loss. Studies show after 1 year on Boniva, 9 out of 10 women stopped and reversed their bone loss. I know I did.
Don't take Boniva if you have low blood calcium, severe kidney disease, or can't sit or stand for at least 1 hour. Follow dosing instructions carefully. Stop taking Boniva and tell your doctor if you have difficult or painful swallowing, chest pain, or severe or continuing heartburn, as these may be signs of serious upper digestive problems. If jaw problems or severe bone, joint, and or muscle pain develop, tell your doctor. I've got this one body and this one life, so I wanted to stop my bone loss, but I did more. I reversed it with Boniva. Ask your doctor if Boniva can help you stop losing and start reversing. For a free trial offer, call 1-800-4-BONIVA.
Willow Springs Center.
Hi, I need to cancel my appointment.
And what were you having done?
I was having treatment done on my eyes for bags and dark circles.
Okay, and can I ask why you're canceling?
Well, I found this product that really works, and I got to try it before I bought it.
Can I ask what product?
Sure, it's Hydrolyze.
If you have dark circles, bags, and puffiness around your eyes, you don't have to get expensive treatments. Just get to your phone for a risk-free trial of Hydrolyze. Hydrolyze is a proven breakthrough that erases the appearance of under-eye puffiness and dark circles, even if you've had them your whole life. The results are so impressive, women who've tried it say it's life-changing. For a limited time, try Hydrolyze before you buy it, and watch your under-eye bags and dark circles fade faster than you thought possible. Call now for your risk-free trial of Hydrolyze. But hurry, when this offer's gone, it's gone. For your risk-free trial, go to YoungerLookingEyes.com or call 1-800-631-3925. 1-800-631-3925.
Dell, yours is here.
Fashion writer Lacey Smithsonian fought her way to the top.
To Lacey.
But when she becomes an eyewitness to murder, she'll sacrifice everything to find the truth. The world premiere of Hostile Makeover, next Sunday night at 8 on LMN.
You value your friends. So does DirecTV. Bob's worth 100. So are Carrie, Ann, and Sue. For every friend you refer to DirecTV, you get $100, and they get $100 on top of our new customer offer. Introducing the new and improved DirecTV referral offer. Just give your account number to your friends. Have them call 1-866-GIFT-TO-YOU. They must have your account number when they order. Then celebrate and watch the Benjamins stack up.
It's time for Dexter, Weeds, Californication, United States of Terror, Nurse Jackie, The Tudors, Championship Boxing, Mixed Martial Arts, Inside the NFL, Lock and Load, Tracy Ullman, Penn and Teller, the biggest movies. This is the place. This is the time. This is as good as television gets. Just ask for it by name. Showtime. Order Showtime today and you can get a $25 Amazon.com gift card. Call 1-800-531-5000 or go to DirecTV.com.
This Saturday on LMN.
Did I ever tell you I had this fantasy?
You've thought about it, maybe even dreamt about it. These women are going for it.
He makes me want to do things I have never wanted to do before.
Experienced ladies.
I have t-shirts over the video.
Ready to teach young guys.
You were looking for me?
Hi.
Anxious to learn.
Wow. It's hot.
They're robbing the cradle. An all-day movie event. Saturday starting at 2, only on Lifetime Movie Network, LMN. Now back to the world premiere of Killer Hair on Lifetime Movie Network, LMN. You're watching the world premiere of Killer Hair on Lifetime Movie Network, LMN.
As things get simpler, they get thinner, they get better. And now the same breakthrough has come to laundry. Introducing Purex Complete 3-in-1 laundry sheets. The world's thinnest load of laundry. A load's worth of detergent, softener, and anti-static all in one powerful sheet. The detergent releases in your wash, and the softener and anti-static are activated by the heat of your dryer. Purex Complete 3-in-1. It's Purex. Extraordinary.
It's what's inside that makes a difference. Makes someone authentic. A little more interesting. More fun. For us, that thing inside is real peanut butter. Lance sandwich crackers. Fresh baked crackers outside. Our fresh made peanut butter inside. And no preservatives. Because it's what's inside that counts. Lance. Love the little things.
Day 87, and Tyler B is still in that aisle, determined to find the answer for his acne.
Kid, get a life. I'm trying. The truth is, acne, even when it's mild, is a medical condition.
Huh?
Medical as in doctor?
And that's how Tyler came to his senses, sort of, and learned about once-a-day prescription Epiduo Gel. If you're not getting the results you want, ask your doctor about Epiduo, 2 of the most doctor-prescribed acne-fighting ingredients in one gel medication, a product you can't get in the acne aisle. Dryness, redness, peeling, stinging, burning, or itching may occur. Don't use irritating products when using Epiduo. Overexposure to sun lamps, extreme wind, or cold may increase the risk for irritation. Use of sunscreen and protective clothing is advised. Go to truthaboutzits.com and learn how to pay no more than $20 for your Epiduo prescription. Awesome. To learn more about Epiduo Gel, talk to your doctor, call, or go to truthaboutzits.com.
The new season of Project Runway is coming this August, only to Lifetime. Sundays all summer long. World premiere movie events and LMN classics.
I will not admit to something I did not do.
All based on your favorite books. Sundays all summer long. LMN Bestseller Summer, starting Sunday at 8 on LMN.
Now my mouth feels really clean, Grandma.
The secret?
Baking soda. Grandma was right. Today's secret, the great taste of Arm & Hammer Advanced White Toothpaste. For the true taste of clean. Try it free for a week. You'll feel how baking soda dissolves deep down in between teeth, sweeping away and removing up to 5 times more plaque than ordinary toothpaste. Clinical studies prove it, and you'll feel it the first time you brush. Arm & Hammer Advanced White, the true taste of clean. Try it free. Go to tryarmandhammer.com today.
Instead of $5 per person for fast food, you can serve a nutritious breakfast from Walmart for less. One breakfast a week saves a family of 4 over $880 a year. Save money. Live better. Walmart.
A strong case for the new Brawny. Introducing new Brawny. Built with one layer to be even softer and another strength. Brawny can do it all. There's a place called Hidden Valley, where kids not only eat their vegetables, they can't get enough. Hidden Valley Ranch makes vegetables delectable. Now rediscover the delectable taste that could only come from Hidden Valley, the original ranch.
Based on the horrifying true story, she killed her husband, poisoned her daughter, and changed her identity.
Tell me the truth. Did you do those things they say you did?
Judith Light stars in Wife, Mother, Murderer, the Marie Hilly story. Tomorrow at 8 on LMN. Now back to the world premiere of Killer Hair on Lifetime Movie Network, LMN. You're watching the world premiere of Killer Hair on Lifetime Movie Network, LMN.
There for you and life's daily miracles.
Who's the best? This guy is.
There for you and your guilty pleasures.
Go meat! I said a beef hot links! I said a beef hot links! I said a brat! Beef kielbasa, hot smoked sausage, 10 words! When I say Hillshire, you say farm! Hillshire! Farm! Go meat!
A gradual tanner that lets you shave less often. New Nivea Sun-Kissed Beautiful Legs with Shade Minimizing Complex. Touch and be touched.
Hate stinky garbage?
It stinks.
Hate taking out barely full bags because they stink?
Take out the trash again.
Wasting bags stinks. Stop wasting money on barely full bags. Use Hefty with unscented odor block technology. It neutralizes garbage odors and can save you money.
I love this bag.
Hefty, Hefty, Hefty. Wasting bags stinks. Stop the stinks. Hefty with unscented odor block technology. Now at new lower prices.
We know that extra strength Tylenol does many things well. But 4 clinical studies among thousands of people prove Excedrin relieves headache pain better than extra strength Tylenol. Excedrin, what ache? Early afternoon, sidelined by a migraine. Late afternoon, on the sideline of your kid's game. Migraine pain is no match for the headache experts at Excedrin. Excedrin, what ache?
Sonic brushes are great and expensive, but now for about $15, you can get an advanced Sonic Clean with the new Crest Spin Brush Sonic. It offers Sonic technology for a fraction of the cost. 16,000 Sonic microsweeps produce a dynamic fluid action, clinically proven to remove up to 95% of plaque in hard-to-reach places. Cleaning this without cleaning out this. Don't just brush. Crest Spin Brush. For even more ways to save, visit spinbrush.com.
Next Sunday, based on the best-selling novels, comes the second crime of fashion murder mystery.
Any dead bodies involved?
You never know.
The Sherlock Holmes of style is back when a killer designs the perfect murder. And this time, Mom's on her case.
You're in danger. You're dating Don Juan. Your eating habits are terrible.
Don't worry, Mom. My car only blows up once a week.
Maggie Lawson, Academy Award nominee Mary McDonnell. The world premiere of Hostile Makeover. Next Sunday at 8, only on LMN.
Tonight, it's down to the final 2. They've conquered the inside. Now their dreams for a giant cash prize is only limited by their imagination outside.
Work hard, work fast.
The final showdown is set. The pressure is on.
Let's get this house done.
Is there anything out of place?
Don't worry about the time. Just go, 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 go.
And $250,000 is within their reach. HGTV's $250,000 challenge. The season finale, tonight at 10/9 Central on HGTV.
It's time for Dexter, Weeds, Californication, United States of Terror, Nurse Jackie, The Tutors, Championship Boxing, Mixed Martial Arts, Inside the NFL, Lock and Load, Tracy Ullman, Penn and Teller, the biggest movies. This is the place. This is the time. This is as good as television gets. Just ask for it by name. Showtime. Order Showtime today and you can get a $25 Amazon.com gift card. Call 1-800-531-5000 or go to DirecTV.com. This Saturday on LMN.
Did I ever tell you I had this fantasy?
You've thought about it, maybe even dreamt about it. These women are going for it.
He makes me want to do things I have never wanted to do before.
Experienced ladies.
I have t-shirts older than you.
Ready to teach young guys.
You're looking for me?
Hi.
Anxious to learn.
Wow. He's hot.
They're robbing the cradle. An all-day movie event. Saturday starting at 2, only on Lifetime Movie Network, LMN. Now back to the world premiere of Killer Hair on Lifetime Movie Network, LMN.